Fusil Street Campus is a fantastic place to study. It oozes history, it's incredibly welcoming.
There's a very good relationship between the lecturers and the students. You feel like everything you need to assist you is there when you need it.
We offer a really wide range of programmes which enable students to truly tailor their professional development and to study modules and courses which help to develop their careers.
The experience at Brampton Road campus is excellent. It's an art school at heart.
You'll be rubbing shoulders with students in a wide range of creative disciplines, from fine art to film and photography to graphic arts, which means that you can fully develop and explore your own creative potential.
Although we are part of a wider, bigger institution, Lancaster as a campus is small, it's intimate, and I think any student coming here very soon will get to know the facilities, get to know the staff really well, really very quickly.
In the business school, we have a range of undergrad and postgraduate programs. We offer a range of facilities and services to support your learning needs.
The vibrancy is absolutely fantastic. Every pocket of the campus has something going on all the time.
The uniqueness of our courses based at Lancaster, I would say, were access to fantastic facilities, a caring approach, and a small and friendly campus.
I think our unique selling point is the fact that we're here in London. All of the students get a great one-to-one service from staff here. They really get to know them personally and help develop their education. The facilities, the support services and the academics here create a real personalised education for our students. The campus here in London has so much to offer. We have great transport links. We are very, very close to the centre of London in a vibrant city that it is. There is so much going on and it is such a multicultural city that your educational experience here will be wonderful.
At the Ambleside Campus, we deliver outdoor studies, forestry and conservation. The Lake District National Park is our classroom.
We've got amazing opportunities to teach conservation hands-on inside a national park. We've got access to amazing lands, amazing habitats, amazing ecosystems, and can really immerse the students in hands-on conservation work.
When I came to look at the campus, everyone was here, was so lovely. You know, you just know where you want to spend the next 4 years of your life, and it was here.